Welcome to Global Freelancer Academy. Hello guys, we are here to discuss about AI generated content and SEO. Sorry. How to do SEO for AI generated content. Mind it or recognize it. AI plus SEO equals to ranking. Rank AI content the safe way we are going to discuss. AI generated content, it likes robot wrote your homework and you still got an A. This is not right. But here is the thing. Just because AI can write articles faster than my coffee machine makes espresso doesn't mean Google will love them automatically. We have to know the Google search intent or Google intents. Today, I am going to show you how to do SEO for AI content and safe and smart way. So your site doesn't end up in the dreaded Google no man's land, also known as page 2 or page 3. And yes, there is the bad jokes along the way. Sorry in advance. Video overview. Understand Google's stance. Pick the right keywords. Number 3, make AI sound human. This is very important. Structure for SEO. Okay. Optimize on-page elements. EEAT and AI content. Test track and tweak. Let's go. Understand the Google's stance. What is the Google stance? There is a humor. Google hates AI content. Is it true? Google hates low quality content and love high quality content, whether it is written by a human, an alien, or a toaster. Google's current rulebook as 2025 says helpful content, yes, good. Spammy content, cross, no, it is bad. Content that sounds like it was written by a board item, it also bad. So step on. Don't just copy and paste from ChatGPT output or any other AI output. Make sure it is fact checked, edited, and actually solves a problem for the reader. You can get a lot of tools who will check your fact and it will help you to edit. Step 2, pick the right keywords. Before picking the right keywords, you need to get the niche. We have to decide about the niche. We have decided remote job. Our niche is remote job. We will write a content or we will write a blog with the niche remote job. But before that, we need to get the proper keyword which can be optimized easily. Okay, or best trendy. So we will write like this. Write 5 low competition and long tail focus key phrase on remote job. Let's go. We have done it from Copilot. Instead of ChatGPT, we have done Copilot. Okay. We have written there. Try to find it. We have written there this. Write a 5 low competition and long tail focus key phrase on remote job. We got it. This 5 key phrase. Okay. Then we will check its search volume, then keyword difficulty, competition, trends, and more with keyword overview. Sorry. This is SEMrush. We will go to the SEMrush and find keyword density. And also from here we will find the search volume and other thing like competition, trends, and more. What I told. Then we will take a Google sheet. Here we will make a data. Here is the keywords or key phrase we got from Copilots, and we will find search volume from SEMrush, keyword density from SEMrush, and search intent from Perplexity. If you write here, uh, find the search intent of the keywords, then he will give it and he will tell it whether it is high search intent or low search intent. Okay, then from here you will get a data. From this data, you will select your best on. Look, or say we found this on best remote job for entry level graduates. What we will do now? Then we will go to again Copilot, and from there we will write the prompt. Okay, what we have written? Write a detailed and informative SEO optimized articles on best remote job for entry level graduates. Note, keep 35% sentence with transitional words and no sentence with more than 20 words. Okay, why have I given the note? Because of SEO and readability. It will help us. When I have written there, we got these articles. Okay, we got these articles. Now again, we will go to the SEO. We got the article. Okay, now this is very important. Humanize your content. How we will humanize our content? Tone. Make it sound like a human, not a robot. Flow. Smooth transition between sections. Example, add real life stories, case studies, or personal experience, not just copy paste. Okay. Local task. If your audience is in Bangladesh or Kolkata and cultural reference and local terms, we will use that. Okay. Suppose we are from Asia, especially in Bangladesh or India, then we can't give the cultural atmosphere like Europe or USA over here. Okay, then let's go. We got the article. Now we will give the SEO structure. What we know the SEO structure? Use the main keyword in the title and ASON. We can manually do it, and even we can get it from AI. Add subheadings H2 or H3 with related keywords. Keep paragraph short for readability. Add image with descriptive humans bonus points if they are original, not just stock. You can get it from Canva. You can create it, the image with Canva, or any other way you can create it, not from any stock. Recommended meta titles and meta description. SEO recommended. We need it. Internal links to related posts. These are the parts of SEO structure. Okay. Outbound links and credible sources. Then we will write this prompt. Refine the article. Look there. For to conduct SEO, we are going to refine the article at the first time like this. Refine the articles. Keep the focus key phrase in the first sentence of the introduction. 35% again I have written with transitional words. Keep all the sentence less than 20 words. Keep the focus key word or semantic keywords in every title and subtitle. You know about the on-page SEO. I am just recognizing you. Keep each paragraph less than 220 characters. Keyword density, it is up to 2, but I have given it 1.7%. If you direct it like this, itself will be created by SEO optimized. It has given, and these are the SEO optimized, finally SEO optimized, on page SEO optimized article. Now we will use it. Okay. Before publish, we have another some work. We will add something like this. EEAT and AI contents. Do you know about this? EEAT, that means experience, expertise, authoritiveness, and trustworthiness. What are these? In this content, you will add your name as author of the article or short bio, linking to the credential or experience. Obviously, you have uh, some documented or credential which you can use over here. It may be your portfolio where the viewers can find your credential. Okay, citing real sources, not any AI related citation. Okay, updated the updating the content regularly so it's just fresh. Okay, it is like this. If you don't show expertise, Google might think your content is just AI fluff, and nobody wants fluff unless it's cotton candy. Okay, I think you understand. Now, test, track, and tweak. How will test it? You can use this Search Console, Google Search Console. We are going to use Google Search Console. I think you know it. Like this, we have come to Google Search Console, and we can use. At first, you will add your website over here. Then, suppose we are going to check performance. Here is the performance. They are showing. Okay, just 3 months. These are the performance. And if you visit each of these from the left side, that means from the dashboard, and you will check everything: HTTP status, core web vitals. Core web vitals, what do you mean by core web vitals? It will look this. We are just checking. Previously, we showed you about on-page SEO, but now we are conducting technical SEO, core web vitals. It will say you the uh, page speed inside the website. It will take time, but wait just 1 minute. It will give you the page speed. Wait just a minute. It is diagnosis about the performance issues. It is taking too much time. Okay, these are the thing. Before this, you have to add this to your. You have to make with this to your website as a page. We haven't made the page. I am just showing the process. You will add the content to your website, then you will go to over here using the URL. You will get a URL then. Okay, thank you. I think you have understood how we are going to is complete the SEO. Okay, so AI content isn't the enemy. Bad content is the problem, not AI. Okay, I think you understand. Use AI for speed only, and obviously you will use editing for quality and SEO best practice for ranking. Okay, and if you learned something today, follow Global Freelancer and like, share, and subscribe. Please to get the important videos. Thank you for watching my videos.